Hello friends, my name is Yash, and in this video we're going to talk about the mistakes that we usually do while preparing for competitive exams like IIT-JEE or NEET. These are few common advices that one gets when he or she starts preparing for any competitive exam. Although these advice are correct and very important, one needs to consider some more important points which no one usually tells you. I wish I would have got those advice when I started my preparation, and in this video I'm gonna talk about just those. Let me talk about the first mistake that I made. When I started my preparation, I quite not naturally wanted to perform and do to the best of my abilities. So I thought I need a lot of books and I bought a lot of them. Now, I think this was the worst decision I ever made. Because firstly, I spent a lot of money on them. Then I could not even complete even a single book during my entire preparation. And those books became a burden on me. So the trouble was twofold. It was financial as well as mental. If I would have got just one book, I would have completed that and then maybe would have explored some other book. But the temptation of learning from the best source made me feel that the book I had is a bad one and probably I should check out some other book. Eventually, every book became a bad book for me. The second thing is related to the attitude towards preparation. I'll be talking about two kinds of attitude, the learning attitude and the testing attitude. With learning attitude, you allow yourself to do mistakes, you analyze your performance and the problem, and then you sit silently and try to figure out the best way to solve that question or whatever is the trouble. So that is the learning attitude. With testing attitude, you don't allow any mistakes and you aim at attempting maximum questions in less amount of time, and you focus on parameters like your efficiency and accuracy. If you remain in learning mode throughout your preparation, the advantage is that you will have a very deep knowledge of your subject. But the disadvantage is that you may not perform that well in your exam. On the other hand, if you remain during your entire preparation in testing mode, you will not allow yourself to learn, and so you will not have a very deep knowledge of your subject, which is very much essential. Eventually, you will not perform well in your exam. So, it is very important to have a good balance between learning and testing. My mistake was that I got stuck in testing mode during my entire preparation, and I don't want you to repeat that mistake. So I'm telling you. The last point is about what you should do after attempting a question. While you are in learning mode, after attempting every question, you should sit back and think about the question. And remember, my friends, it is very, very important, and I have found very few people doing this. You should ponder upon things like, what is the easier version of this question? You should also think, what is the tougher version of this question? You should also think, what are other similar questions of same difficulty which is related to this question? And what are other ways to solve this question? You have given a question, there will be different ways to solve the same question. You think about them, and then you should find the best solution. In this way, you will start developing intuition about different problems, and your brain will learn different creative approaches to solve any question. And that, my friends, it is very important while you are giving your test, and you will find that if you practice like this, you will be able to perform very, very, very significantly better in your tests. In a nutshell, don't buy a lot of books, have a good balance between learning and testing, and then after attempting every question, you should sit back and think about the question in different ways, as we talked about just a few moments ago. And remember, do this regardless of whether you were able to correctly solve the question or not. That is very much important. If you are still here with me, I'm thankful to you. I will say that these were the advice that I think I would have got when I started my preparation. Anyways, these I have understood based on my experiences, and so I thought I will share it with you, and I hope that these advices help you in your preparation and in your performance for competitive exams. Thank you.